In this video, we're going to learn how to compile and run a Java program from Windows command line. So let's look at some of the project specifications. So our program name is going to be hello.java. We're going to save it to desktop. And some of the important commands we're going to use is one is to set one-time Java path variable, which we can use for which we can use set path command. And it uses something like %path%, which basically tells that we are appending to the existing path this new location. And then we have this verification command, which basically going to help us verify that we successfully set the path. And then we can compile and run Java programs using these two commands. Javac is name of the Java compiler, and Java is the program which is going to execute our program. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write a simple program using Notepad. So let's save the program as, let's say, hello.java, and I want to put this whole name in double quotation so that Notepad does not add .txt extension to this name. If you don't do double quotation, then Notepad gonna add .txt to your existing name, which we don't want. So save it, and you can see that it's saved on our desktop. So now let's write a simple program. So public class hello. So this class name must match with your file name. That's important. And within this, so that's our class structure. And within our class structure, we're going to have a main method, public static void main. And inside our main method, we're going to have just one output statement. And we're going to display message hello from command line. So that's our simple program. Let's save it and close Notepad. Now, next thing we're going to do is open up the command window. And looks like I'm not in the desired directory structure, so I'm going to go to C drive. And within C drive, I want to change directory to users, my username, desktop. Okay, so I'm in right location. Now let's try to compile this program. So we're going to use Java compiler, Javac, and then we say hello.java. So when we try to do that, you can see that it displays a message that command prompt window is not able to locate this Javac compiler because it basically doesn't know the location of this program on this machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a path variable which is going to help this program locate Javac compiler. So to do that, let's find out where exactly this Javac compiler is on this specific machine. So I open up the File Explorer and go to my C drive, and under C drive, look for program files, and then Java. And here I have only one JDK. If you have multiple JDKs, just pick one of those folders. Click on that. Within JDK folder, you're going to see bin directory, and within that you can see that we have these two programs along with several other programs. So Javac is the compiler, Java is the program which we're going to use to execute our program. So if you click on this empty space here and type Control-C, that's going to basically copy that path. Then we come back to this window here, and then we're going to use that command set path equals, so then we say %path %, that means we are appending to the existing path, put the semicolon, and then you copy that path we just now looked at, those C program files, Java, JDK, bin. Okay, that hopefully set the path. We can verify it by using echo command, echo %path %. And you can see that it successfully appended the new path to this path variable. So now we should be able to compile javac hello.java, and you can see it successfully compiled, and I can verify the same thing by looking at my desktop. Here you can see this hello.class. That's a bytecode which was generated by the compiler. So now we can execute or run this program by using this command java and then hello. So do not type any extension when you try to execute the program. Just use your class name. So in this case, hello. And you can see that we get that output which we were trying to display. So that means we were successfully able to set the path variable and execute our program. Now, this path setup was for one time. What that means is if I try to open up the command window again and try to run this program or compile this program, it's not going to work. We can verify that. Let me close this window and open up another command prompt window. And let me go back to the desktop. My username, desktop, and here if I try again to compile this program, it's going to give me the same error message which it was giving me before, that it cannot identify the program or cannot locate this program. So because we set that path variable for one-time use. If you want to make it permanent, that means it's that the path variable which you set going to stay every time you turn on your computer. Then what you have to do is you just right-click on this Windows icon here on your computer. So these instructions are for Windows 10, and then you select System, and on Systems window, click on Advanced System Settings, and there you're going to see something like Environment Variables. Click on that. It's going to open up Environment Variables window. Here you have two sections basically. Variables specific to a given user and system variables. System variables basically affect your entire machine. So if there are 20 users, they're all going to be affected by those variables. These user specific variables are for a given user. So we're going to just tweak things right here for this user, which is me. So I'm going to click on Edit, and here don't delete anything which you have on your computer already. Just go to the end of the variable value, put a semicolon, and then add that path, Control V, and then click OK, 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 and close this window. And now if I open up the command window, and navigate back to desktop, that's where our program is. And if I try to compile the program again, javac, oops, it has to be .java, and you can see that it is successfully compiled. So because we have permanently set the path, even if you close this window, open up it again, it should work every time. So that's how you basically uh, compile and execute your program from command window. Thank you.